Hey guys, it's Kushmakov here with Best Homes Real Estate, and I got a big question for you guys. How many of you want to list more homes this year? How about how many of you want to add more seller leads to your database, to your pipeline this year? I'm sure most of you, if not all of you. Look, I'm recording this video on January 19th, and I checked MLS before this recording, and there are only 12,661 active homes on MLS. And then I compared it to a year before, and there were over 17,000 homes. That's a 30% decrease from a year ago. So what does that all mean? That means that we're probably spending more time with the buyers. Buyers probably getting all pissed off, right? And we're probably, honestly, just hoping to get more listing inventory. Well, if you're one of those agents that want to get more listings, right? You want to build a good, solid listing business for yourself, you gotta attend this workshop that I'm teaching, guys. This workshop that I'm teaching, I'm inviting you personally, where I'm going to be sharing my step-by-step playbook where I listed over 380 homes in the last 7 years. I sold over $100 million in real estate, and I'm going to be sharing all of the key steps that I take and my agents take to list homes. All right. Some of the topics that we're going to discuss in detail are going to be top seller lead sources out there, and we're going to break them down into two different categories: the now business, all right, and also the future business or a long game business. Okay, we're also going to cover the scripts. I'm going to share the script book with you guys. The scripts when it comes to your sphere, when it comes to open houses, for sale by owners, expires, pre-foreclosures, and etc. But also, more importantly, objection handlers. How do we handle some of these most common objections that we're getting from the sellers nowadays? One of them, for example, like bring me a buyer, right? That's one of the key objections that we're handling right now. So that's something that we're going to talk about it in detail. Questions like, should I take an overpriced listing? We're going to cover that as well. My listing presentation, all right? So when I go out on the listing appointments, I most of the time will do a listing presentation, right? And I use a 3-step approach to get a listing, right? And more importantly, when you get that listing, what do you do with it? So we're going to talk about listing management systems when it comes to making your job a little more efficient, more productive. I'll share with you the checklist that we use to manage our listings. And then, of course, the bonus topics. Anything to do with building a listing business, right? If you have any questions, I'm sure you will have questions. This is definitely a time to ask. Now, guys, this is a free workshop. It's a free class. To attend, you got to register by clicking on the link below or on top of the screen. This class is not based on philosophy. It's not based on theory, the stuff that was done 10, 15 years ago. I'm going to be teaching this class from my experience as a listing agent, as a team leader, as well as the broker owner. So again, looking forward for you guys to attend this workshop and hopefully to see you there. Thanks. Bye.